This is the 10th video on the C7 rifle. In this video, you will be shown methods of carrying the rifle and how to fire at close quarters. When moving in close country, on patrol, or in a built-up area, the enemy may fire and attack at close quarters. In such situations, it is the quickness and accuracy of the first shots which gain success. A soldier should be prepared to bring his rifle into action quickly, carrying his rifle in a ready state and in a manner best suited to the type of terrain over which he is moving. The position of high port is used when going through scrub or when crossing obstacles. If the soldier stumbles using this position, the muzzle of the rifle will not get entangled, become filled with dirt, or point at his comrades. To assume the position of high port, bring the rifle up across the body, left hand on the handguard, right hand around the pistol grip, and barrel pointing upwards. Move the selector to S and place the finger outside the trigger guard. The alert position is adopted when expecting the enemy to appear and is an easy position to maintain while the soldier is observing his arc of fire. To adopt the alert position, push the selector lever to R. Bring the butt of the rifle into the shoulder with the muzzle pointing downwards. The cradle carry provides an alternative to the alert position when a fragmentation vest is being worn. Hold the rifle as for the alert position, but allow the butt to rest outside the front of the right arm, with the butt weight cradled in the elbow. The low port position is used when the tactical situation does not necessitate the use of the high port or alert positions, and in particular on internal security operations when one hand is required for searching personnel, checking documents, or moving barriers. To adopt the low port, hold the rifle by the pistol grip, finger outside the trigger guard, selector lever at S, with the barrel pointing upwards, and the heel of the butt resting on the waist. When a soldier is on the move, either in an advance or on a patrol, he must be prepared to fire from a variety of positions. He may move his selector lever to R or A in anticipation of the rate of fire to be utilized. If hand-to-hand combat is anticipated, bayonets may be fixed to the rifle. It should be remembered that accuracy is affected when firing with the bayonet fixed, and that it is necessary to aim slightly low at close-range targets. Once the enemy has been located, the ideal is to hit with the first shot. 2 or more shots in rapid succession or double taps will improve the chances of a kill. Having fired, the soldier will immediately take evasive action and go into cover to continue the engagement. Remember, firing bursts will cause the weapon to fire higher than normal after the first shot. The method of carrying the rifle will be dependent on the situation and the terrain. A soldier must be able to bring his weapon into action quickly and accurately and make the best use of available cover to ensure survivability and success.